Ryan here from quantlabs.net. In this video we're going to talk about quantity when you set it up in your MotiveWave before you put out trades. Okay, so today is the 16th, I believe, 15th of October, 12:45 a.m. And let me just show you, I just put up a video here and a blog post at quantlabs.net/blog, and it's called Portfolio Analysis Chat Room to Crypto Trading Quantity for Coinbase and Kraken. So I put up a video. So again, that video is called Portfolio Analysis Chat Room to Crypto Trading Quantity for Coinbase and Kraken. So this is really specific for anybody who wants to do my Quant Analytics, just to show you how to do a proper order preset of the volume or the quantity you want to purchase at. So here we go. So if you watch this video and kind of understand this blog post, let me just go over to the chat. So in here I've put a new free room in. It's called Portfolio Analysis, which is kind of part of that. Before you take on trades, we have posts here for all the coins in US dollar, USDT, or USDC on Coinbase, as well as I have the same for Kraken as well. So in here we have EOS at 219. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is similar to Kraken as well, that amount. Here we have the chart open manually, as I've shown before. We've applied I've just updated this reversing strategy quantity, MACD reversing strategy quantity. You activate it, but before you do that, I don't like having to put people through this. You have to come under configure under order preset, and here what you'll find is if the price is at, I don't know, let's go over to EOS. So once again, if I go under order preset, this is a preset order configurations. You can see here I've got my default quantity at 2.5 and the price is at 464. So if I told you, okay, going back to that chat room thing, for EOS you can see here where it includes the amount for let's say the commission, or 2.5. You can set it around there just so you can get the orders to get filled. So if you know on Coinbase, Kraken, it's $10 minimum US to get an order fill, and under the order preset for this coin, okay, you know that's 2.5. Okay, you just update. So let me just terminate this strategy, and let me just load it up again right here. So under the configuration, you have here the trading options. So if you know 2.5 is what you need, the quantity of 2.5 at this price is needed to make an order, a minimum order to get a fill. On top of that, you can add now the lot size. So if you want to trade 10 times that or 100, you just put in the amount in the trade lot for that, create it, and then you activate. So when the trades start activating, you should have enough funds to cover that because of the quantity that you set at. And if you want, you can also adjust the quantity size in the order preset. So again, you can check out this chat. It's free, and just look up the exchange and the appropriate exchange and symbol or instrument, and then you'll get the quantity needed for a $10 order or quantity needed for the amount plus the 1% commission for Coinbase, or if it's Kraken, it's 0.32. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Hopefully you like this, and I keep saying, if you like this, a couple of things. Obviously, you could sign up, get on our contact or email list, quantlabs.net/contact. Fill out your info. It's kept private. Get a free set of PDFs as well to help you out in just general trading. And also, if you want to learn more about this at the chats, or just go to quantlabs.info. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. We shall talk to you later.